and welcome to today's discussion. We are exploring a critical issue in education today, the role of AI tools in the classroom. Specifically, should AI tools replace teachers in certain aspects of education, or should they be used solely to complement traditional teaching methods? What does this mean for the future of teaching and teacher employment? Joining me today are three distinguished educators, each bringing a unique perspective in this conversation. Let us meet our panelists. First, we have Dr. Chana, an associate professor in business and marketing management. Next, we have Sir John Joseph, an English professor and extensionist. And lastly, we have Sir Ruel, an IT professor for more than a decade. Welcome, everyone. So to start, let's hear from each of you about your initial thoughts on AI in education. Do you think AI should replace certain aspects of teaching, or should it be a tool to support what teachers already do? Sir Joseph, let's begin with you.
First, thanks for having me. Personally, I see AI as a great tool to enhance learning, but not as a replacement for teachers. AI can automate administrative tasks like grading and providing personalized learning experiences for students, but the role of a professor goes beyond just delivering content. We, as professors, are mentors, motivators, and source of emotional support. AI can't replace the human connection that students need.
I agree with Sir Joseph. I've started using AI tools with my class to moderate discussion by providing real insights, suggesting related topics, and even summarizing key points. This ensures that all students have an equal opportunity to contribute. I also use AI driven case studies in business and management courses. Situational exam often involves analyzing complex scenarios and making strategic decisions. Given these capabilities using AI tools, still it can't replace the interactive discussion we have in the classroom. Professor like us facilitate critical thinking and problem solving which AI can't fully replicate.
From an IT professor standpoint, AI can certainly complement the work of teachers by providing rich data analytics that can help us understand how students are learning. However, I believe that the personal touch or the human element is crucial, especially when building social emotional skills. Artificial intelligence can provide support in terms of content delivery and feedback. However, professors are irreplaceable when it comes to fostering an inclusive, empathetic environment for learning.
It sounds like you all agree that AI shouldn't replace teachers, but rather enhance their role. So let's dig a little deeper into the implications of professors' employment. If AI becomes more integrated into classrooms, do you think there is a risk of job loss for educators, or do you see new opportunities emerging for teachers?
I think AI will change the way we teach, but I don't see eliminating jobs. In fact, it could create more opportunities for teachers to specialize in areas like integration, personalized learning, and data analysis. We might see new roles emerge that focus on using AI to support students in different ways. So I don't think it's a matter of replacing teachers, more like evolving our roles.
Exactly. While there's concern about artificial intelligence replacing certain tasks like grading or helping us in creating exams, I believe that teachers will always be needed to provide that human personal touch. AI can help alleviate administrative burdens, but it won't replace the critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence that professors bring. New job roles might emerge, such as tech specialists in schools who can help integrate and manage these tools effectively.
AI is a tool that should make teachers more efficient, not eliminate the need for teachers. We may need fewer teachers in certain administrative capacities, but there will be a demand for teachers who can manage AI systems and interpret the data they generate. Additionally, there are ongoing need for educators who can innovate, apply technology ethically, and provide human-centered learning experiences.
Okay, so it's clear that while AI may change the structure of educational jobs, it's not a replacement for teachers. What about the impact of teachers' training as AI tools become more integrated into education? How can we prepare current and future educators to work alongside these technologies? So, Roel?
I think teacher training needs to evolve to include tech integration as part of the curriculum. It is important for teachers to be comfortable using AI tools, but more importantly, we need to learn how to interpret the data these tools provide and use it to make informed decisions about how to support our students. Say, for example, for a quiz that has so many failed grades, so it is the job of the AI to give that data, but it's still up to the teacher what intervention should be done.
Yes, teacher training should definitely include professional development of AL tools and how to incorporate them into our lesson. However, the focus should still be on using AI to enhance, not to replace. And the skill we already have, things like classroom management, lesson planning, and relationship building.
In our institution, we have workshops on AI and its use for education. But I think we need to be more hands-on on practical training for teachers to be confident in using these tools in real classrooms. It's not just about knowing how AI works, but how to integrate it meaningfully in the traditional methods we've relied on.
Okay, thank you for that. In closing, do you think AI will be helpful ally in education, or do you have concerns about widespread use? What's the one thing you'd like to see happen as we continue to integrate AI into classrooms?
I see AI as a helpful ally, but we must be mindful on how we use it. My biggest concern in making sure that we don't lose sight of the human connections in education.
I agree. AI can certainly help with efficiency, but it cannot replace the teacher student relationship. I want to see more resources for teachers to learn how to use AI effectively without it taking over the classroom.
For me, AI is an exciting opportunity. It can be a great tool if used wisely. But my hope is that we continue to put students and teachers at the center of education, that not that technology itself.
Wow, thank you for those insights, sirs and ma'am. So it's clear that while AI has a role to play in education, the human element remains irreplaceable. As we move forward, the challenge will be ensuring that AI enhances the educational experiences for both students and teachers. To our distinguished guest, thank you for your time and insights that you have shared with us. Thank you, sirs and ma'ams. So,
Thank you.
thank you,
Thank
thank you,
you.
thank you, sir,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you. So, stay tuned for more insights from our professors regarding this topic. Until next time, take care.